Hi students, today we will solve exercise 16b of concise mathematics for class 8. And if you have not seen the exercise 16a, please go to the description and click the link has been given. Now students, come to the point. Question number 1, there it is fill in the blanks and given here in case of regular polygon. So first we must know regular polygon. Polygon, you know, more than two-sided figure, closed figure, and regular means all sides are equal. Regular polygon means a polygon which has all sides, whose all sides are equal. So now come here, number of sides is given 8 in the first question. Number of sides is given 8, and the next one is to find each exterior angle. As we know, the total exterior angle of a polygon is 360 degree. Sum of exterior angles of a polygon is always 360 degree, and we have the number of sides 8, so we will divide this one from 8, and this one will be 8 4 ja 32, here 5 4 0 40, now 45. So the each exterior angle will be 45 degree. Now the second one is to find each interior angle. To find each interior angle, first we find out sum of interior angle. Sum of interior angle. As we know, sum of interior angles formula is, as we have done in exercise 16a, 2n minus 4 into 90, and 2 into n is given 8, then minus 4 into 90 degree, then 2 8 is 16 minus 4 into 90 degree, then 12 into 90 equals to 12 9 is 108, and this one 0, here we will put. Now we have 1080 degree. This one is sum of interior. Now we have to find each interior angle. Then we will divide by 8, means number of sides. Then after dividing, what we get? 8 1 is 8, that is 2, and 28. Then 8 3 is 24. Now left 4 0 40, then 8 5 is 40, means 135 degree. So the each interior angle will be 135 degree. Just like that, we will now do question number 2. Here is given number of sides 12, and we have to find each exterior angle. As we know, each exterior angle is 360 degree, and then we have to divide. We will divide that one by given number of sides 12. So 12 3 ja 36 and 0. Then here will be 30 degree. As we have done in the question number 1, sum of it, first we will find sum of interior angles. Then it is 2n minus 4 into 90. Now 2 into number of sides here is given 12, then minus 4 into 90 degree. Then 24 minus 4 into 90 degree. After subtracting, we will get 20, then 90 into 90. Now we have 2 9 is 18 and double 0. 1 0 this one, and this 1 0 this one. Now we have 1800 angles. Now this one is sum of interior angles. Now we have to find each interior angle. Then we will divide 1800. It will be divided by number of sides given 12. Now cut it. 12 1 ja, 12 5 ja, and then 0. Now we got 150 degree. Now we will do third number question, and here is given each exterior angle 72 degree. Now we have to find number of sides. Then each exterior angle given 72 degree, and as we know, sum of exterior angle equals to 360 degree. Then 360 degree we will divide by 72 degree. Then what we get? 5. Then the number of sides will be 5. Now we have to find each interior angle. And as we know each interior angle, first we have to know the sum of interior angles. Sum of interior angles. Then we will apply the formula 2n minus 4 into 90 degree. Then 2 into n, we have found 5 number of sides, we have found 5, then minus 4 into 90 degree, then 10 minus 4 into 90 degree. Now 6 into 90 means 540 degree. This one is sum of interior angle. Now we have to find each interior angle. Then 540 will be divided by number of sides 5. So we got 5 1 ja 5 and 5 1 ja 5, 0, 5 8 ja 40 means 108 degree. Now third one is complete. Then we have question number 5. Here is given each interior angle. Now we have to find first number of sides. To find number of sides, we must know the sum of interior angle, and let's do. Sum of interior angle means 2n minus 4 into 90 degree. And each interior angle we have to find, each interior angle has been given 150 degree. Now number of sides 1 and 2n minus 4 into 90, we will divide this one by number of sides, that is n. Here is not given, and now we will do this one. 92 ja means 180n, then 94 ja means 360. Between this one minus will be, and now 150 here is. Now this one n we will transpose here, we will take this one. Now we have 180n equals to 150n. Now we will transpose this one 360 degree, here will be 360 degree. Now 180n, this will 150n we will transpose here, and it will be here minus 150n. Now we have this one 360. Now we will subtract this one, and we got 30n equals to 360 degree. Then n equals to 360n, 360 degree, and this one 30 will be here below the 360. Now we will cut this one, and we got 12 degree. 12, number of sides will be, then n equals to means number of sides will be 12. So we got the number of sides here 12. After that we have to find each exterior angle. As we know, each sum of exterior angle is 360 degree. Then we will divide this one by number of sides 12. Now we got the 30 degree. So the exterior angle will be 30 degree. Now we have question number 6, and each interior angle is given 140 degree, just like question number 5. And we know that sum of interior angles is 2n minus 4 into 90 degree. Then we will divide this one by n, means number of sides. Then we will get 140 degree, that is each interior angle. Now we will solve like that one, what we have done in question number 5. 2n minus 4 into 90 degree equals to 140. Here we will take n, transpose this one n. Then we will get 118n minus 360 degree equals to 140n. Now 180n, 140n, this one minus 360 will be here plus 360. Now 180n, here will be minus 140n. From here 140 we will transpose this one, here it will be minus 140 degree, then equals to 360 degree. Now we got here 40n, then 360 equals to 360. Now n equals to 360 divided by 40, and we will cut this one and get 9. So number of sides will be 9. Now we have to find each exterior angle. As we know, sum of exterior angle is always 360 degree, and then we will divide from the number of sides, that is 9. Now after dividing we will get 40. So the number of, sorry, each exterior angle be 40 degree. That's all. Now we have question number 2. Find the number of sides in a regular polygon if its each interior angle is 160 degree. We have to find number of sides. Then first we will find sum of interior angles. Sum of interior angles. And the formula is 2n minus 4 into 90 degree. Then we will write number of sides with each interior angle. Then we will write each interior angle. And we know that each interior angle equals to, as we have done in question number 1, 2n minus 4 into 90 by number of sides, that is n. Now each interior angle is, we have given 160 degree equals to this one, 2n minus 4 into 90 degree by n. See once again, each interior angle equals to 2n minus 4 into 90 degree by n, as we have done in question number 1. And now each interior angle is given 160 degree, so we have written 160 degree in the place of each interior angle, and then equals to 2n minus 4 into 90 by n. Now we will do like this, and we will transpose here, and this will be 160n, and then 2n minus 4 into 90. Then 160 n equals to 2 9 ja 18, then 180n, then minus 4 9 ja 36, means 360 degree. Now 160 n, now minus 360, we will transpose here, and then it will be 3 plus 360 degree equals to 180 n. Now 360 degree equals to 180 n, and this one 160 n will be here minus 160 n. Now 360 equals to 20 n. Now n equals to 360 by 20, then 0 0 and 2 18 ja, means n equals to, therefore n equals to 18 sides. Now in question number B, we have given each interior angle 135 degree. Now like that we will find sum of interior angles, that is 2n minus 4 into 90 degree, and then each interior angle equals to 2n minus 4 into 90 degree divided by number of sides, that is n. Now each interior, we know that given here 135 degree equals to 2n minus 4 into 90 degree divided by number of sides n. Now 135, this n will be here 100. Now we have 135n, then 2n minus 4 into 90 degree, then 135n equals to 2 9 ja 180 and minus 4 9 ja 36, means 360 degree. Now 360 degree, we will transpose this one 360 degree, here will be minus 360 degree and here will be plus 360 degree. then 180 and now 135n will be transposed here, then it will be minus 135n. Now 360 degree equals to 80 minus 35 means 45, and now n equals to 360 divided by 45, 8 ja. Therefore n equals to means number of sides equals to 8. That will be the answer. Now in the third question we have been given each interior angle 1 whole 1 by 5 of a right angle. Then first we will find 1 whole 1 by 5 of a right angle, that is 5 1 ja 5 and 1 6 by 5 of a right angle means into 90 degree. Then 5 1 ja 5 18 ja and 18 6 ja 108 degree means why in each interior angle is 108 degree. Now once again we will find first sum of interior angle, sum of interior angles is equals to 2n minus 4 into 90 degree, and then we will find each interior angle equals to 2n minus 4 into 90 by n. Now we have each interior angle is 180 degree, so here we will write 180 degree, then 2n minus 4 into 90 by n. Then 108 degree n equals to 2n minus 4 into 90 degree. Then 108 n equals to 2 9 ja 18 means 180 n minus 9 4 ja 36 means 360 degree. Now 360 here will be transposed and here is minus, then here will be plus 360. Then 180 n here is plus 108, then here will be minus 108 n. Now 360 degree equals to here will be 72n. Then n equals to 360 by 72. Now therefore n equals to 5, 72 5 ja. Then number of sides equals to 5. Then we have question number 3. Find the number of sides in a regular polygon if its exterior angle is 1 by 3rd of a right angle. First we will find 1 by 3rd of a 1/3 of a right angle. Then 1/3 means 1 by 3, off means into, and a right angle means 90 degree. Now we will cancel this one and we got 30 degree. Now once again we have to find number of sides, but here is given exterior angle. So we know that sum of exterior angle of a regular polygon is always 360 degree. Now we will find number of sides. Number of sides equals to 360 degree means sum of exterior angle by each exterior angle, that is 30 degree. Then 0 0 3 12 ja means number of sides, then here will be 12. That will be the answer. Now we have second one. Question is each exterior angle is 2 by 5 of a right angle. Then we will first find 2/5 of a right angle. Then 2/5 of means into, and then right angle equals to 90 degree. Then it will be 5 1 ja and 5 18 ja and 2 18 ja 36. Then each exterior angle is given 36 degree. Now once again we will do sum of exterior angle. Sum of exterior angle, as we know that, is 360 degree, and then number of sides equals to 360 degree divided by each exterior angle, that is 36. Now 36 1 ja and 36 10 ja 360. Therefore number of sides equals to 10. That is the answer. Now we have question number 4. Here is given, is it possible to have a regular polygon whose each interior angle is 170 degree? Now we have given each interior angle, that is 170 degree. Once again we will find each interior angle. Each interior angle is equals to, as we know, 2n minus 4 into 90 by number of sides. Means sum of interior angle divided by number of sides, that will be each interior angle. Now we have each interior angle given 170 degree. So here we will write 170 degree and then 2n minus 4 into 90 degree by n. Now 170, here n will be transposed to here, then here will be 170n, then equals to 2n minus 4 into 90 degree. Now 170n equals to 2 9 ja 18 means 180n, and then 9 4 ja 36 means minus 360 degree. Now here is minus 360 degree, then we will transpose here and it will be plus 360 degree equals to 180n, and here is 170n, then here will be minus 170n. Now 360 degree equals to, here will be 10n after subtracting. Therefore n equals to 360 divided by 10, that will be 36. Here is given number of sides equals to 36. Here is a whole number. Number of sides is whole number. So it will be, yes, it is possible to have a regular polygon with 36 sides. Now once again we have the question number 2 of 4. Here is given each interior angle is 138 degree. Once again we will find each interior angle. Then there will be 2n minus 4 into 90 degree, means sum of angles, sum of interior angle divided by number of sides, that is n. Here is each interior given 138 degree, n equals to 2n minus 4 into 90 degree by n. Then here will be 138 n, n will be transposed to here, then here will be left 2n minus 4 into 90 degree. Then 130n equals to 2 9 ja once again 180n, then minus 4 9 ja 360 degree. Now 360 will be transposed to here, 360 degree equals to 180n minus, here will be 138n. Then 360 degree equals to 42n. Then therefore number of sides n equals to 360 by 42. Now we will cancel it. 6 7 ja 42 and 6 6 ja means 660. Now 60 by 7. It is not a whole number. So number of sides is not in a whole number. Therefore it will be not a polygon. There will be answer no. Then we will do question number 5. Is it possible to have a regular polygon whose each exterior angle, here is given exterior angle is 80 degree. As we know, exterior angle, sum of exterior angle of a regular polygon is always 360 degree, and each exterior angle is given, each exterior angle is given 80 degree. Now we have to find number of sides. The number of sides will equals to sum of exterior angle 360 degree divided by each exterior angle, that is 18. We will cancel this one. 4 2 ja 8 and 4 9 ja means 9 by 2. This is not a whole number, so number of sides is not in whole number, so it will be not a regular polygon, so the answer will be no. Now in the second part of the question, here each exterior angle is given 40% of a right angle. Then first we will find 40% of a right angle. Then 40 by 100, we have to remove the percent, so here will be 100 divided by 100 into right angle means 90 degree. Then 0 0 and then 0 0. See, 4 9 ja 36 means 36 degree of a right angle, 36 degree will be each exterior angle. Now once again we will find, as we know, sum of exterior angle is equals to 360 degree, and each exterior angle is given. We have found each exterior angle, we have found 36. Then number of sides equals to sum of exterior angle, that is 360, and divided by each exterior angle 36, so it will be 10. Therefore number of sides is 10. See, this one is the whole number of sides is in whole number, so it will be a regular polygon, so I have written yes. Now we have question number 6, and it is find the number of sides. We have to find number of sides in a regular polygon if its interior angle is equal to its exterior angle. Here interior angle is equal to its exterior angle. Now first we will write interior angle is equals to exterior angle. It is given in our question. Then interior angle is equals to exterior angle means 360 degree. As we know, always a regular polygon has 360 degree exterior angle. In the place of interior angle, we will write its formula, that is 2n minus 4 into 90 degree is equals to 360 degree. Then 2n minus 4 is equals to 360. We will transpose this one 90. Here will be divided by 90. 360 divided by 90. And it will cancel. Then it is 4. Now 2n equals to here 4. And here minus 4. Now it will be transposed to here. And then it will be plus 4. Then 2n equals to 8. Then number of sides equals to 8, and here 2 will be in the division. Now it is 4. Then number of sides is 4. The answer will be 4. Now we have question number 7. The exterior angle of a regular polygon is 1/3 of its interior angle. See, 1/3 of its interior angle. Then we have to find the number of sides in regular polygon. So first we will write 1/3 of its interior angle. 1/3 means like this, 1 by 3 of its interior angle, of interior angle equals to the exterior angle, then 1/3 interior angle means sum of interior angle, that is 2n minus 4 into 90 degree, and exterior angle means it is always 360 degree. Now 2n minus 4 into 90, then 1/3 will be here, transpose 1/3 means here will be into 3 by 1. Now 2 9 ja 180n minus 9 4 ja 36 means 360. then it will be 0, 3 6 are 18, 3 3 are 9, 1 10, means 1080. Now 180n equals to 1080. Here is minus 360, then here will be plus 360. Now 180n equals to 0, 6, 8, 14, 3, 1, 4 and 4. Then n equals to 114 or 1440 by 180. Then 0 0 gone. Then 18 8 ja 144. So number of sides will be 8. That will be the answer. Now first part of the exercise 16b is completed, and the rest of the questions of 16b is in the second part of the video. So do not forget to subscribe and like the channel to get the next part of the video.